Hey Glamourcorns, so here I am with another video showing you all how I got this nice sleek ponytail on this 4B hair child. And honestly, it wasn't as hard of a process as I thought it was going to be. And I'm going to show you all just how I did it. I love this look. Hopefully you all love it too. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. Okay, stay tuned. So right now I am spraying my hair down with water. Got to get it moisturized and detangled, and about to take my ear off. Baby, if you're going to do this hairstyle, take them damn hoops out, honey, because you ain't going to have no earlobe. So, I have to take them out now, as you can see. Alright, so right here I'm using a Conair Infinity dryer, and this dryer is so bomb, y'all. It comes with a comb already attached to it, so it makes everything so convenient. So I'm just blowing out my hair, and to do this style, it's almost impossible to not have to blow out your hair. You need to get your hair as straight, I mean, not straight, but like as, stretched out as possible so you can get a very sleek look, or as sleek as possible, rather. So I'm just twisting up the hair that's, already been blown out, just to keep it out of the way, basically. You know what? I actually love my hair in a very blown out state. It's more manageable, and I can do more with it. However, I just don't think it's healthy for your hair to be blown out so much, like to just have to do it every other day. And it's just too time consuming. My hair is pretty thick, and I just don't have the time. So when it comes to styles like this is just an occasional thing, It's definitely not something I'm going to sit up and do every other day. But if you do it, then more power to you. But I just don't have the time. Do you hear me? It's cute, but I don't have the time. So I'm just putting the finishing touches on the blowout process. This looks like the last little section, and this is the part where I can just exhale, because this was a lengthy process for me. Okay, and not only lengthy, but it was hot. The dryer is hot. But you know what? What's the little saying? How did the little saying go? With beauty comes pain, or something like that. So I guess that's the sacrifice we have to make to look cute. So yes, just showing y'all the last little bit of the blowout process. So this is me with all my glory. Yes, girl. I just love my hair like this, y'all. When you come up with other hairstyles in the midst of trying to do another hairstyle, look at that. Okay, so that's actually kind of cute, though. Thumbs up if you think that'll be cute. If I were to do my hair like that, don't you think it'll be cute? Anyway, so this is me putting my hair up in a bun. So don't be like me. I made the mistake of not making my bun small enough. So make sure you get your bun as small as you can. and as stable as you can. So this is the ponytail I use. It's drawstring, and if you're natural, you want to make sure it's yucky and it matches the texture of your hair. So I'm putting the ponytail on my hair, placing the clips in the front and back, and it has a drawstring if you want the extra stability too. I didn't use it, but I made sure that I put the clips into my scalp, I guess. I don't know. You know, the same way you put on a wig is the same way you put on this ponytail. So once you get all that stabilized, then you want to take a piece of hair and wrap it around your ponytail to hide like the drawstring, I guess. But I mean, and not only that, but it's cute. So let's get these edges laid and slayed, honey. Yes, because I mean, this ponytail wouldn't even be popping if the edges weren't popping right along with it, right? Okay, so basically I use Ebony New York edge control, because really and truly that's the only edge control that really works for my hair or my edges. Anything else will not work for me. Olive oil edge control does not work. I haven't tried the Cantu one, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna give it a try, but I really don't think it's gonna work that great for my edges. But you know, this is the only one that'll work for me, and I'm pretty sure I'll show it somewhere in this video. So I like to finish off this process with adding a scarf around my edges to make it even flatter, and you know, it'll make it last for a couple of hours, you know, without it curling up or poofing up or anything. And this is the finished look, Glamourcorns. Yes, I really love this ponytail. As you can see, I'm feeling it. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.